Hello, this is Odisha Education and Development Center. Today we will learn IO devices, that is input and output devices. There are certain devices through which the input and output operations can be made easier, are called as IO devices or input output devices. So such devices are, there are certain input devices and there are certain output devices we can use with the computer. Such input devices are called keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, BCR, OMR, OCR, MICR and mic. There are certain output devices such as monitor, printer, plotter, projector and speaker. The physical devices attached to the computer system are called as hardware. All the input and output devices, these are all keyboard and mouse and monitors, process and memory units are called as hardware devices or peripherals of the computer system. These all are called as peripherals or peripheral devices of the computer system. Such input devices, one of them is keyboard. This is the primary input device. Primary input device means a keyboard must attach to a computer system. Then only computer can be start over. So this is used to input the user commands through text format. So the keyboard आमे यूज करथाउ text format रे command दवा पे. The general keyboard having 107 different keys and special keyboards like keyboard of the cell phone, laptop, etc. having different number of keys. The different type of keyboards are like QWERTY. According to the layout, the different keyboards are like QWERTY layout, then QWERTZ keyboard, AZERTY keyboard, HCE SAR keyboard, and there are multimedia keyboards are separated. These all are separated by their layout. So the different keys of the keyboard are numerical keys 0 to 9, alphabetical keys A to Z. कौन key अछि? Functional keys F1 to F12, then special keys plus, hyphen, underscore, asterisk, modulus or percentage symbol, exclamation mark, at, hash, dollar, forward slash, backslash, piping symbol, single quote, double quote, caret, ampersand, colon, etc. are called symbolical keys. And some of the special keys are like enter, backspace, escape, delete, insert, ins. Insert key टा ins बोल लिखा है alter alt बोल लिखा है control ctrl बोल लिखा है escape टा esc लिखा है home tab shift etc. Then comes to mouse. A mouse is the pointing input device used to input the user commands in graphics mode. There are three different buttons of the mouse: left button, right button and middle button. So this one is the left button, this one is the right button and this one is the middle button. This you can find out, this one is the middle button. It a middle button da. Then left button used to select or open. The right button used to get shortcut actions. The middle button rarely used for scrolling purpose in internet applications. Types of mouse according to variants: mechanical mouse, optical mouse, it has a light sensor, and a mechanical mouse have a ball sensor, trackball that is. Then gaming mouse, gaming mouses are also optical mouses, and a 3D mouse are also the optical mouse, and a trackball is also there. Then type of mouse according to the connectivity: PS2 mouse, the connection port टा में देखि पारि आईटी 6 टा port थिबो, that is PS2 mouse. Then USB mouse, USB cable थिबो. Wireless mouse, it has a Bluetooth connection. Then joystick are used for game controlling purpose. Earlier was used this type of joystick, and these days the joysticks are like this. And a scanner used to input the photocopy to the computer system, used to input the image copy to the computer system. एठी हमें फोटोटा पकेबा, तापर कवरटा पके देले से फोटोटा डायरेक्टली कंप्यूटर को इंसर्ट हे जिवो. Then OCR, optical character reader, used to read the optical characters optically written over ATM card or some IDs. आम ये देखी पारिया एटीएम कार्ड आम स्वाइप करचे सो से ओसीआर बा ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रीडर यूज होची बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ स्वाइप ऑफ एटीएम कार्ड्स देन बीसीआर बार कोड रीडर्स आम इजिली देखी पारिया डिफरेंट मॉल रे आम जिते जिनस किणुचे सेठी वी कैन फाइंड यूज टू रीड द प्रोडक्ट आईडी कोड in straight line format or in bar format. Then OMR optical mark reader used to read OMR answer sheet or multiple choice answer sheets. आम जो मल्टीपल चॉइस आंसर सीट बा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम दोचे एबे भी बहुत गुड़ा एग्जाम हे गलानी मल्टीपल चॉइस आंसर सीट रो से आंसर सीट गुड़ा को हम रीड करिया पई OMR रीडर इज यूज्ड. देन MICR मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रीडर यूज्ड टू रीड द स्पेशल इंक characters written over different bank drafts check etc. so bank draft उपरे कि check उपरे लिखा हितबो से स्पेशल कैरेक्टर तो रीड करिया पे बैंक रे हमरो MICR यूज होचे. माइक माइक्रोफोन यूज्ड टू इनपुट द ऑडियो डाटा टू द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम हमें किछि भी कहिबा दैट कैन बी इंसर्ट टू द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम डायरेक्टली थ्रू द माइक. देन मॉनिटर it produces the soft copy output to the user. The copy content displays over the monitor screen is in computer memory and can be edited or changed whenever is required. जो कॉपीटा हमारा मॉनिटर स्क्रीन ऊपर डिस्प्ले होची आ कंप्यूटर मेमोरी रे अछि and can be easily changed whenever is required. जेतेबेले आवश्यक पड़ला हमें ताको चेंज करि परिया that is called as soft copy output that can be produced by the monitor. So types of monitor: CRT monitor, cathode ray tube and LCD liquid crystal display monitor and light emitting diode LED monitor. There are three different types of monitor. One is CRT, another is LCD, another is LED. LCD and LED both are called TFT, thin film transistor. In case of touchscreen monitor, the monitor is called both input and output devices. So जो monitor रे हमें touch screen अच्छी so से screen ऊपर हमें touch करके सेठी आगे हमें input कर परिया so that's called as both input and output device IO devices. Then printer produces the hard copy output to the user, that is the printed out papers which cannot be edited later. हमर print हला परे paper टाको हमें change कर परियानी so that printed out paper is called as hard copy ताको हमें कौन कहते hard copy कहते. Then types of printer there are four different types of printers: dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer and line printers. So such printers are like dot matrix earlier used bank रे हमें देखि परिया कि मैं कौन सी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस में देखि परिया यूज टू प्रिंट डॉट्स create the line. Laser printers we can find it easily anywhere in the home and even in the some of the caves we can find it prints page by page through drum. Then inkjet printer, it also can be easily found through it throws ink in order to print the page. Then line printer we can found in different government offices, print line by line, page by page. It is used for printing a number of pages simultaneously, a number of pages repeatedly. Okay. Plotter is used for drawing, engineering drawing purpose. Earlier drawing made over a flat area, and these days drawn sheet are scanned and print the same. These days the plotter is like this and earlier it was like that. Then projector used to display the output over the wall screen. Speaker used to produce the audio output to the user. This you can find easily. Thanking you, prepared by Odisha Education and Development Center.